arrival. Coming down. Now the guy is strapping his gear on. So all down. Now it's time to clean up. Took about an hour, I'd say. See ya.